Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to delete your playlist on YouTube. So if you have a specific playlist on YouTube that you would like to go ahead and delete, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so in order for us to do this, all we need to do to accomplish this is to go ahead and tap on the YouTube application. And I want you to tap on your library tab right here. Next, what I want you to do is tap on your playlists option and tap on view all. Next, I want you to go ahead and tap on the specific playlist that you would like to go in and delete. In this case, I'm gonna choose this one right here. I'm gonna tap on the three dots to see its options. And I went to tap on delete. As you see, it's gonna prompt me to confirm the deletion right here. And all we need to do from there is to tap on confirm so that we could delete the wireless. And that's basically for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next one.